have you back, Dougie, from around the world, all the places you travel each week. We're broadcasting today majorly around the world, but focused so strongly on Miami. And guess why? Because it's the Super Bowl, and Miami is already hotter than hot. You couldn't make that city any better. And now they put the Super Bowl there this week. Let me tell you, people, it has been off the hook down there non-stop for a week straight. The music concerts or something? Well, you ought to see it now. Holy cow. Sunrise magazine launched on December 20th of 2019 is now circulating all over the States, very strongly in Miami, because they have a strong content focusing on the southern tip of Florida in this product. We have hosted parties with the governor, of Florida, with of Miami. We have had parties. Now tonight we have a party at the Sylvester Bar. We have one over at the Supercar Club, and late night we have a VIP list and Liz. It's $1,200 a ticket just to walk in the door at the Sylvester Bar. It's $6,000 for a party of 4 just to walk in to Live today. That's it. You ain't got it, you ain't getting in. And if you don't have it, and then you buy his liquor on top of that. The tables start at $20,000 and up. They got tables for $180,000. It's unbelievable. They named the Super Bowl Live 54 after this, well, ironically, the biggest. They're eating it up. You can't believe it, people. Anyway, we got Dan Aquino running for Congress in Florida, hosting the political affairs. We got Quill from High Spy Gemini on the club scene for the DJ circuit parties, also for Sunrise. And we got Tiffany LeBlanc, who is the new Madonna / Lady Gaga, hosting the other areas. And now today they're all coming together with their entourages. The Super Bowl party at the Sylvester Room, and after that, as the Super Car Club, and then to Live, which doesn't start till midnight. That said, at 5 o'clock today, we have the one and the only Tiffany LeBlanc calling in for a full-blown 45-minute interview. People, you're going to learn about this girl, how hard she's working, what she's done, all the stuff with the number one interviewer ever, Queen Regine. And so Dougie Fresh in the background. You're going to hear some of her tracks. He's getting ready to release a new track in the next few weeks, which Coast Media Group has signed her, and we will be working with her at several labels, the releases, the remixes, the bookings, you name it. Go to CodeNYCBank.com and check her out. Go to Sunrise-88.com and check it out. We're on fire. This is church after church after church. I love you all. Things sound great over the internet, guys, over the phone, through all the other things. I love you. I'm going to get off and get ready for the 5 o'clock phone call. But right now, we're going to drop the Big Paul 420 mix. God bless you all.
Thank you, Carl.
Not quite 420 minutes. I'll have it ready for you in a second.
DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul.
You're going to have to catch this part on the app. Let's go.
Get up!